So, good morning. I'm here at Senator Wash. This is going to be night 14. It's a record for me, but it's a very cool place. It's a big reservoir just outside of Yuma. It's in California, near Winter Haven, and it's a support reservoir for Imperial Dam. In other words, what they do is during times of low power draw, they pump water into this reservoir. This is completely off stream. Fill it up, and then when they need extra power, they let it run out and run the generators to generate more electricity. So it's kind of like a big battery. Consequently, the lake level fluctuates from right about up here a couple days ago down to where it's about 8 foot down. And I checked online, and actually in the course of the last several days, it's fluctuated about 10 feet. So, pretty cool place. So I was here with Don and Lois, and they've both taken off for other places. We'll get back together with them shortly, I'm sure. But Dr. John Leathers is also here with me, and he'll be staying until Monday. I've used my 14, so I got to move on. There is a fee here. It's $15 a night, but $7.50 with my senior pass, so not a bad deal at all. Also, last week, Don and I went into Los Algodones, Mexico for lunch, and that was a real fun trip as well. So, a lot to do around here. There is no internet. That's why I'm kind of falling behind on videos. My AT&T doesn't work at all. My Verizon phone gets like a 1X, so I can check Facebook, but certainly can't watch any videos. So falling behind on all the friends I keep track of too. So anyway, it's been a really great 14 days, but we're moving on. Tomorrow we'll pull out, head over to 95 and back up towards Quartzsite and Parker, maybe Lake Havasu area. Kind of depends on the weather. It's supposed to be hot, and so I guess we'll see what happens. So anyway, that's what this video is about. So enjoy.
possible.